Now see exercise 14.4. Okay, so whenever the illustrations are given, in that if you are doing the construction, if you are making construction, for that it is compulsory to write the steps of construction. But in exercise it is not necessary that you can draw the steps, but you should understand each and every steps, and step by step you have to construct whatever constructions are given. If in exam it has been asked to write the steps of construction, that time compulsory you have to write steps. That's why you have to memorize and you have to learn steps also. Now see exercise 14.4, first question. Draw any line segment AB, mark any point M on it. Through M draw perpendicular to AB. You have to use ruler and compasses. So let's see what is given. We have draw any line segment. This is your any line segment AB. Mark any point M on it. So this is your point M on it. Now we have to draw a perpendicular to AB. So here we have to use this ruler and compasses. So we know that what we have to do, take M as a center and we will draw the marks R on line segment this way. Okay, so it will intersect this at P and this at Q. Now your PM is your radius. Now we keep pointer on P, take measurement little bit greater than to the radius and draw an arc above. From point P, draw an arc from Q. So we are getting one intersecting point here, name it as M. Now with the help of ruler, join both the points M and N. So that we are getting perpendicular, that is MN is perpendicular to AB. So this is your first construction, this is your first question. Now see second question. Draw any line segment PQ, take any point R not on it. Through R, draw perpendicular to PQ. Here we have to use ruler and set square. So here which set square we have to use? Here whatever point is given, that is not on the lines. So that time we have to use this set square, that is 90, 30 and 60. If the point is given on the line, that time we have to use 90 degree, 45 degree set square. Okay. So now let's start our construction. So first we draw line segment PQ. So this is your line segment PQ. Take any point R not on it. So this is your point R which is not on this line segment. And we have to draw the construction. So what we have to do, take a ruler and set square. So this way you have to keep your set square and ruler. If you want, you can keep like this, doesn't matter. Now what you have to do, you have to just slide this. If for any reason if you have your scale is disturbed, then again you have to start. So keep your scale fixed and you have to slide this. Okay. Now here you are getting your point out. You can see it. Okay. Now what we have to do, you have to just mark it and remove it. If possible, you have to draw this line completely. If it is not possible, it's okay. You can mark it with a line segment and we extend this line segment. Name it as S. So what we can say? RS is perpendicular to PQ. So this is your second construction. Now move to the third one. draw a line L and a point X on it. So draw a line L and a point X on it. Through X, draw a line segment XY perpendicular to. So this is your X. So we want to draw the perpendicular. So let's see. This is your first construction. Okay. So I am not much going in detail. Just see the construction. So you are getting two intersecting point. Name it as AB. Now take measurement little bit greater than your arc. Sorry, radius. So draw an arc. So you are getting one intersecting point. Name it as Y. Now join XY. Okay, join XY. So this is your perpendicular, that XY perpendicular to AB, or you can say line L. Now what is the second construction? Now draw perpendicular to XY and Y. Use ruler and compasses. Now you forget about this line. Okay, this is not there. Now you have only this line XY. Just extend. Now we have to draw perpendicular to this point. So this is your line and Y is on this line. So how will you draw? Same method. Now you have to take Y as a center. Draw an arc above and below. Okay, so you are getting two intersecting point. Name it this as P, Q. Now take measurement little bit greater than radius. Okay, and draw an arc above and below. If you don't draw, it's okay. From here, also draw an arc, so that you are getting one intersecting point. Now join this. So this line name it as N. So this line is perpendicular for XY. So what we can say? XY perpendicular to N. So this way we can complete this construction. Okay. So all the three questions I have explained, and we have completed the construction of these three questions. In this, if you have any question and query how to draw the perpendicular with the help of ruler and compasses and set square, if you have any query, go through the video again and again. Still, if you have any query, you can ask me. Okay, so this is all about your exercise